Okay, so England plays in this stadium on Sunday, but I'm going back to the last time they were here. It did not go well. June 22nd, 1986, the most infamous 4 minutes in football history. One man, one hand, one impossible goal. Let's go watch it happen. Wish me luck, actually, wish my eardrums luck. Right, so either this is the world's biggest birthday party, or I have made a huge mistake. Nobody told me it's noon, it's 1,000 degrees, and we're 7,000 feet up. My lungs are filing a complaint. Also, I am clearly the only person here from now. Everyone can tell. That kid is pointing at me. Hello? This is so embarrassing. Wait, blue and white that way? White shirts that way? Oh no. Oh no, no, no. I know this game. I know this exact game. Quick context, these two countries are not friends right now. This is so much bigger than football. The vibes are intense. And that tiny number 10 warming up down there? Remember him. Okay, I need liquids before history happens. Priorities. One horchata, please. Yes, okay. I just tapped my phone on her hand. In 1986, she is still looking at it. Oh my God. She took my hair clip as payment. No, that was a fair trade. This is fine. Everything is fine. Cheers. Whoa. I can't believe this. The first half is basically a very sweaty staring contest, so I'm skipping it. But the second half is the entire history of football. Move! I mean, I know exactly what happens at minute 51, and I can't tell a single person. This is torture. Delicious torture. The thing is, everyone here thinks this is a normal quarterfinal. Nobody knows they're about to be in every documentary ever made.
Pásala, pásala ahora, corre, no pares!
It's our secret. '51st minute. Watch the keeper. Watch the little guy. Watch everything. Here it comes. There! Right there! Did you tell me you saw that? There. Right there! Did you tell me you saw that? Hand. That was his hand. I am the only person in this stadium who knows what just happened, and nobody will listen. Listen to me! It was a handball!
No!
It was a blatant... Sir? Sir, are you crying? Sir? Oh no. Oh no, he's crying. He waited his whole life for this. And I'm over here doing crime forensics. I'm the worst person in this stadium. Okay, so after the match, he's going to call it the Hand of God. The Hand of God. The audacity is honestly aspirational. Imagine doing the most famous crime in sports and then giving it a name. I can't even name my Wi-Fi network. Wait, hold on. I know this timeline. Something even crazier happens in like 4 minutes. 4 minutes! Mano! It was mano? Hands? I'm doing the hand thing. Why is she doing the hand thing back at me? I think she's saying it was the hand of God. No, wait, right. I totally understand. I don't, but I'm nodding. Positions, everyone. What you're about to see took 10 seconds, and they'll talk about it for 100 years. Do not blink. He gets the ball in his own half. His own half. Facing the wrong way. That's the setup. That's the whole setup. He's turned. He's going. Okay, he's actually going. Past another one. Past the keeper. I can't. It's there. Seconds. He beat the entire team in 10 seconds. In the 10 seconds. I have goosebumps. I came here mad about a handball. Same guy, 4 minutes apart. The villain and the artist. I can't even be mad anymore. Oof. England pull one back. 2-1. And now everyone here remembers fear. You can feel the whole stadium clench. 9 minutes of the longest football ever played. I know how it ends, and my nails are still gone. These people are heroes. That's it! Argentina go through, and this stadium just became a legend. Also, I've been hugged 4 strangers in 10 seconds. I have to tell you something. I am no longer in control of where I'm going. I'm legally part of this crowd now. We move as one. Update. 11 hugs. 11. I counted. Nobody warned me about this part, and honestly, I'd do 12. Okay, the crowd's thinning, and honestly, everyone could tell I didn't belong here, and nobody cared. Not once. Not one single person. 114,000 people will tell their grandkids about today. Wait, England is back in this exact stadium on Sunday. 40 years, same pitch. Do they finally get their revenge? Because I genuinely don't know. Tell me in the comments. And if you want to see where I travel next, subscribe, because the next one is going to be even wilder.